Hello guys, welcome back to session 3. This is the continuation of session 2. In this session we are going to do a demo on build an application and deploy on Azure App Services. Let's get started. So open the Visual Studio, click on File, click on New and New Project and type ASP.NET Core Web App. So I am selecting this one. Click on Next. So I will be giving okay my first application 001. Click on next, select the 3.1 long-term support target framework, click on create. So now it's creating a project. Yeah, now project is created. So you need to publish. Right click on the solution file, click, click on publish. We need to select the target. I'm selecting Azure. Click on next. So we have created app service on Windows based application. So click on Windows App Service. So we need to give our credentials and select the subscription and the resource group. So resource group, and then this is the test and this is the application. Click on next. It will ask deployment type whether you want to publish or else you want to do CI/CD using GitHub Actions. So I am using publish only. Click on finish. So it will validate each and everything. Once it is validated, then we need to publish. See the service dependencies, everything is checking. Everything is fine now. Now click on publish button. See now deployment is in progress. You can see the publishing to Azure App Service. Now build is started. So you can see from the build is started. My first application 001. So it will take some time to build and publish. Now publish is started. So publish, you can see the output in the output window. So it depends upon your network and machine how fast it is building and publishing over the app service. See adding all the directories. Yeah, publish is success. So let's wait for the this one. Site is enabled. Once it is enabled, so restarting the web app once. Once the web app is restarted, then we can access. Yeah, see. See, this is the demo which we have created the project and we have been published over to the app service. Okay, let's modify this one and see. So let's go to the pages index. See, welcome is there. Let's modify here. Welcome to Azure App Service demo by Vikranth Pali. Okay, let's save and then publish. Now again it is publishing. So in the previous we have seen this one, right? So now it is been edited and see what will be displayed here. Now publish started. You can see here also the status, and here also you can see it's publishing to Azure App Service Windows. Yeah, build success. See, now site is opening. If for the first time it will take some time, from the second time it will build and publish very fastly. See, now you can see the updated which we have updated. Okay, so this is the process how we are creating a web application and build and deploy Azure App Services. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.